But with one sheet of Bounty, you'll have confidence in the clean. In this lab test, just
A flash flood warning has been issued for your area.
Want confidence that your surfaces can get really clean, even with just one sheet? Bring it. Super durable, super absorbent, super clean. Bounty, the clean picker-upper. And for huge value, try Bounty Huge Roll.
The new weather.com has a weather app just for you. Business traveler, fear not. Get the status of your flight at your fingertips, along with the weather to where you're going. Weather apps on the new weather.com makes your life a breeze.
Wake up with Al Roker and Stephanie Abrams. Weekday mornings at 6 and 10. Now, you're local on the 8s.
A severe thunderstorm watch is in effect for our area. Currently in our area, 76 degrees under mostly cloudy skies. Our local Doppler radar. For tonight, skies clearing overnight, low 67, winds light and variable. And on Tuesday, except for a few afternoon clouds, mainly sunny, high 87, winds northwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And Tuesday night, a few clouds, low 67, winds light and variable. And on Wednesday, cloudy with occasional showers, high 79, winds east at 5 to 10 miles per hour, chance of rain 50%. Here's our 7-day outlook.
And right now we continue to track the severe weather threat around the Philadelphia area. Now, parts of York County and Lancaster County and south central Pennsylvania have been getting hit absolutely hard with some very heavy rain. Also with these storms you can see here do have the threat for very large hail and damaging wind as well. And of course we'll have much more to come right now on Weather Center.
Good evening and welcome back. Thanks for staying with us on Weather Center. I'm Alexandra Steele.
And I'm Chris Warren. If you're just joining us tonight, we are continuing our coverage of the remnants of TD5.
That's right. And what will happen with the very latest? We go back to Jim at the expert desk. All right, Jim, what do you see out there?
Not much, Alex, to be quite honest with you. The hurricane hunters were out there today. They were out there circling around a little bit and trying to find, a defined center as they went in and out of that center, but it really just wasn't that defined, and it's not defined by, thunderstorms. I mean, it certainly isn't closed off by any stretch of the
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for your area.
Even though it could tighten up a little bit as we go through the next 12 to 18 hours, which is pretty much all it's got over land, as we can see. If you were to say, okay, well, where's the center, Jim? It's probably just to the south and east of Mobile, Alabama right now, or about 100 miles as the crow flies east of New Orleans. All these thunderstorms kind of indirectly associated with this broad circulation gyre itself as it continues to track on off toward the west. Now, seas are going to build 5 to 8 feet off the Louisiana coast. We do have a coastal flood warning in effect for this area, as we're expecting certainly some of these seas to potentially produce some overwash. There is also, or coastal flood watch, I should say, there's also a flash flood watch inland because of heavy rain like we saw tonight.
we're also dealing with some other spots across the country with some pretty strong storms. In particular, right now, we look west of Philadelphia, and you see this line right here, right along the border with Maryland. We do have some very strong storms. In fact, flash flood warning southeastern or southern York County, southeastern Lancaster County. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicating with this right here, 3 inches of rain has occurred in these areas. So dealing with the threat and possibly the imminent flash flooding here, keep that in mind. That goes until 12:15, so midnight 15 local time. And also severe thunderstorm warning associated with this same batch of storms right in here. So could see some very large hail, maybe up to about 1 inch, and also some damaging winds will be possible with this storm. And again, more heavy rain expected. And look at where we are in relationship to Philadelphia. So we are to the west and to the south a little bit. Good news is improving conditions. So we're going to take you across the country right now, starting out in the northeast. By tomorrow, this is what we're looking at. We're going to see some mix of clouds and sunshine, but